In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. First thing is open up your Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the hamburger menu in the top right hand side of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Under the Account section, tap on the first option, which is Personal and Account Information. Now tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Make sure you have selected Deactivate Account and hit the blue button to continue. Now enter in your Facebook password and hit Continue. Select a reason as to why you want to deactivate your Facebook account and hit Continue. Take a read through all of this, and if you're happy enough, scroll down towards the bottom and tap on the amount of time that you want to deactivate your account for. I have selected to not reactivate the account automatically and hit Continue. Again, read all of this before you go to deactivate to make sure you're happy enough with it, and tap on Deactivate My Account. And that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.